Every collapse has one group that survives better than any other. People with skills. Not money, not property, not financial assets. Skills. Educational and informational content only. During the Holocaust, people who knew trades, doctors, engineers, craftsmen, rebuilt their lives in new countries. Skills were their wealth. During the Soviet collapse, aristocrats with property lost everything, but workers with technical skills kept working, kept earning, kept value. Vietnam 1975, refugees arrived in America with nothing except skills, and they rebuilt their entire lives within a generation. Skills can't be confiscated, skills can't be frozen, skills can't be inflated away. Everything physical can be taken, everything financial can be diluted, but skills are the only wealth stored in your head. Collapses destroy institutions, but they never destroy usefulness.